guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm trying to do this very slowly because I'm babysitting my baby niece and my other niece. So today I am thankfully and gratefully finally okay. I was fighting the stomach virus, so I was throwing up, that goes with the soreness and all that. So I am grateful and thankfully that I got over it. My stomach still hurts when I laugh and all that, but I mean that's okay. That's the soreness from me throwing up. But okay, you guys, so let's get started. What we're gonna do is I'm wearing my all white wig as well. I'm wearing all my clothes as white, and jewelry, everything, etc. Once I'm done with this, you can go visit my Instagram and you'll see my full outfit of how it looks and how, very like glamorous and everything looks. So I already did my eyebrows, as you know. I wanted to do that off camera right quick. So I am so happy with the settings. Okay, so without further ado, let's go quickly to and jump. Okay, you guys, and since I am wearing all white, I'm gonna put a little bit of the cut crease in black. So I'm gonna go in with a Morphe. Don't mind if it camouflage. I just didn't want to mess with it more. So I like the background. I like the how it's showing my face. It's showing high resolution, which is I want. So don't mind if it camouflages. So I'm using this one, the 12 Picasso palette, and I'm gonna go with this black one. Not get too much of the product because I don't want it too dark. I just want it kind of like a natural sort of black, not too dark. So my niece is just in the bed staring at me. She's so cute. Well, I did say I wasn't gonna get too dark of the eyeshadow, but we didn't make that promise, did we? And I am so scared because I'm wearing white. So I do have this apron because I do not want anything black, and might as well just put my sleeve up because I don't want nothing to stain it, because I have literally bad luck when I wear white. So now we're gonna start packing in the black a little bit so it won't crack on me. Swing the baby like that. I'm literally trying to whisper so my niece won't wake me up. So my other little niece is actually helping me maintain the other baby a little bit asleep. So we're taking turns here. And for under my brow, I'm gonna go in with this. Pearl white. Ooh, I like, you guys like how that blends coming out? It's coming out pretty good. Then with this white, you can see how it's gonna start dimming out a little bit of the black, so it won't be too harsh. So this process I'm taking a little bit longer because I want to make sure the crease is very blendable and everything's come out really good. So the more you blend, you can see how it's dimming down that black and it's not too harsh. So you want to go to that, just keep putting some white and just blending into it so it can cut down more of the black and put it into a soft black. The same time right here, this you're just gonna, the same time while you're blending over here, you want to make sure you bring it over here so you can dim out some of that black, and it's gonna make it grayish so it won't be too harsh as well. Now to clean my lid and make that cut crease even more defined, I'm gonna go in with LA Color and concealer, and this one is gonna be in the medium. So I'm just gonna use a little small mirror, and I did put a pop socket on it so that way it will be easy to clean, easy to use. I'm going with another brush, and I'm just gonna put some in my arm and define it more. What happened, mommy?
You have to draw a circle like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
So you see how it's bringing that more and more. It's a process. When I want the makeup super perfect, it is a process to do so, because I want it soft but pigmented at the same time, but not too harsh. that is like, oh my gosh, girl, where you going with it? So now that the concealer is all nice and set in there, now I'm gonna get in my NYX primer, and it looks like this. Put some a little bit inside of my palm, and then I'm gonna use this palette right here, the Zulu, no, I'm sorry, not the Zulu palette, by Juvia's palette, and the color that I'm gonna use is gonna be this one right here, very pigmented, kind of like white pearl, because I want it to stand out so much. And then once you see that it's getting tacky, that's when you start putting the product, but not yet, because I have figured out a little bit of a difference. When you let it get tacky a little bit, it gets more of the product and it makes it look smooth than getting it when it's super wet like right now, and you put some in there and it just looks like chunks of it. Packing that in there, and you see how beautiful it's coming out, like very high and pigmented, but it's not getting chunks of it. We're gonna pack in a little bit of more black to right here to the outer corner, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of clean it a little bit, the brush, with my towel, and then I'm gonna slightly kind of blend so it will erase a little bit of the harsh black. Okay, now after a long process, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in jet black. Okay, and now way before we put lashes, I'm gonna put a tiny line right here of glitter, of silver, so you can pop it out a little bit more, because I want very dramatic the eyes. Since it's New Year's, we want to give a little bit of that glitter. And then with the primer, I'm gonna use the NYX primer glitter. My liquid eyeliner on the bottom, I'm gonna use NYX. I am very OCD when it comes to my stuff, so once I stop using it, I have to put it away, because then I freak out. Now that we're done with that, I'm gonna put in my lashes in the style Zooted by I Am Lashes. You guys ready? Oh, shit. It actually looks really good. Oh, girl. Flex those eyelashes. Okay. Now that one, I saw a little bit of imperfection. This is what you see where you need to improve, or where you need to like fix. As right here, a nice, very well blended right here, and as you see, this one is just kind of like dead. So you want to make sure you always, once you're done with your process with everything, you want to make sure that it's nice and blended, and partner it up with the other one, because if not, it's gonna look very like nasty. There's never a perfect moment, right? So okay, so now that we're completely done with that, I'm gonna quickly jump in with my face, so I won't make you guys wait too long. But before that, I do want to mention, if I haven't mentioned it before, probably did on my previous tutorials, but this one actually comes a lot in handy, e.l.f., and it's kind of like an under eye gel, so you can reduce the puffiness. I know there's a couple of glitters glowing in there, that's fine, it's New Year's anyways. And then it came with one of these, with one little ball of this ones, but it actually broke, so I used this one that I don't use anymore. And then with the cold, just kind of roll it into your eyes, and it literally does the job for you. I should have done this like before I did everything. You see how it actually depuffs a little bit? Very fast my face, and I'll be back with you guys. Let me go kind of into a dark, not dark, but a little bit dark red. This one is from CoverGirl, and the color is gonna be Oh, 3:15 all-nighter. Okay guys, so this is my final look. Hopefully you guys like it. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And happy holidays, happy New Year's Eve, guys. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day with your family, as I will with me. As you will see, this will be unfortunately uploaded very late, guys. I'm very sorry, but see you to the next time, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you to the next one. Hey guys, this is a little last minute thing that I wanted to put on. So once again, happy holidays, happy New Year's, and celebrate it with your families, guys. Love ya.